Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we'll be showcasing pure Tussar sarees andi, complete digital printed Tussar sarees with weave borders on either side. All these are silk mark certified Tussar sarees. Soft, elegant, comfortable, easy to drape and easy to carry. All these sarees carry silk mark certification and all these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse, light weighted sarees, non-transparent sarees. And all these sarees can be hand washed at home. So let's get into today's video. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, directly visit to our store located in Kondapur and Kukatpalli. And fourth one, book a video call slot. మీ ప్రిఫర్డ్ టైమ్ స్లాట్కి మీరు అడిగిన వెరైటీస్ని వీడియో కాల్ చేసి చూపిస్తాము. దాన్ని ఎంచుకుని you can pick your favorite sarees. So one more way to get connected with Rangvarsha Sarees product is our Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow us for our regular updates. The first design for today, నేను రేప్ చేసుకున్న సారీ అండి. A cream shaded kalamkari printed pure tussar saree with grey color zari and borders on either side. So ఇది ఎలా అంటే cream base కి we have blue, mustard, grey color combination printed motifs with zari weave borders and one side we have a printed border. Brown base ki oka 3 to 4 inches ki printed border anedi ostundi and this is the pallu. Pallu anedi again grey base meeda complete copper stripe weaving anedi pallu ki ostundi and the blouse, it's a grey color blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. A yellow color kalamkari printed pure tussar saree with red color weave borders on either sides. Throughout the body manaki ila blue, red and different color combinations lo printed pattern anedi ostundi and this saree comes with a contrast blue color kalamkari printed pallu. This is the pallu matched with a red color blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. Next shade, it's a royal blue color tussar saree and pure tussar saree. So all these sarees comes with this kind of silk mark certification. So ilanti silk mark certification anedi prati saree meeda meeku tag anedi untundi and this saree comes with a beige color floral printed motifs. Paina mottam scattered motifs, kinda creeper pattern border anedi ostundi, both sides weaved borders ostunnai and this is the pallu. So pen kalamkari pattern, multi-color printed pallu matched with a kalamkari printed blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. A plain tussar saree, a blue shaded tussar saree with grey color zari and borders on either sides. This is the complete look of the saree and the saree carries a grey color pen kalamkari pattern printed pallu matched with a floral printed blouse in multicolor combination priced at 5490 free shipping. The next one, a baby pink color pure tussar saree. Color combination చాలా బాగుంటుంది. Light baby pink base మీద yellow and sky blue color combination printed motifs వస్తుంది. Both sides ఇలా paisley pattern printed borders and weave borders వస్తున్నాయి. This saree comes with a zari weave pallu. This is the pallu matched with a running blouse with printed border for the sleeves priced at 5490 free shipping. The next design in pure tussar saree andi, a green color tussar saree idi. Green with pink color combination saree. So paina mottam plain ostundi. One side of the saree carries floral printed motifs and both sides maniki pink base meeda ila zari and borders anedi ostundi and this is the pallu. So pallu also complete copper zari weave lines aithe pallu ki ostundi. Blouse is a contrast color blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. A black color shibori printed pure tussar saree. So multicolor prints anedi ostundandi. Blue, beige, red color combination lo alternate color combinations lo throughout the body manaki shibori pattern designs ostundi and this saree comes with a red color kalamkari printed pallu and blouse also comes with a similar pattern priced at 5490 free shipping. A royal blue color kalamkari printed tussar saree with green color zari weave borders on either sides. On an orange base manaki grey and indigo blue with mustard color combination printed motifs ostundi and this saree comes with a contrast green color zari weave pallu matched with a olive green color blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. Tomato red shaded pure tussar saree with royal blue color weave borders. So ఇది ఎలా అంటే బాడీ మనకి ప్లెయిన్ ఉంటుంది. Both sides beige and royal blue color combination printed borders వస్తున్నాయి. This saree also carries weave borders on either sides and this is the pallu. So royal blue with beige color combination, zari and printed pattern pallu matched with a contrast color blouse priced at 5490 free shipping. The next pattern in pure tussar andi, a complete kalamkari printed pure tussar saree, an onion pink shaded tussar saree, mustard green and pink color combination printed motifs with weave borders on either sides and this is the pallu. So pallu pattern kuda chaala baaguntundi. కంప్లీట్ కలంకరీ ప్రింట్స్ అనేది పళ్ళుకి వస్తుంది, మ్యాచ్ విత్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్. బ్లాక్ విత్ ఆనియన్ పింక్ షేడెడ్ టసర్ సారీ, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింటెడ్ టసర్ సారీ అండి ఇది. గ్రీన్ అండ్ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ ప్రింటెడ్ patterns with weaved borders on either sides, and this is the pallu. Pallu is also zari woven and printed pattern pallu, matched with a pink color blouse, priced at 5490, free shipping. Pure tussars with 3 shades, brown, orange and peach color combination pure tussar saree with brown color printed motifs running through the body, matched with weaved borders again, a dual shaded saree for the body, and this is the pallu, a contrast color zari woven pallu matched with a printed blouse, priced at 5490, free shipping. The next design in pure tussar andi, a pinkish purple shaded tussar saree with a beige color printed motifs running through the body, matched with weaved borders. This is a complete printed pattern in tussar with a weaved and printed pattern pallu and a running blouse. A black color tussar saree, a plain tussar saree with a rust color weaved border. Idi color combination. So plain body with the pen kalamkari pattern printed pallu. So this is the color combination of the saree. So body lo manaki plain vastundi, pallu lo complete multicolor printed patterns vastunnai. Blouse also comes with a similar pattern blouse, priced at 5490, free shipping. A pink color pure tussar saree with a Madhubani printed border. సో ఇది ఎలా అంటే బాడీ మొత్తం బ్లాక్ ప్రింటెడ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, బోత్ సైడ్స్ వీవ్డ్ బార్డర్స్ వస్తుంది. వన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ స్కై బ్లూ బేస్ మీద అలా మల్టీ కలర్ మధుబాని ప్రింటెడ్ మోటివ్స్ అయితే బార్డర్ లాగా ఉంటుంది, అండ్ ఇది పళ్ళు. సో పళ్ళు ఆల్సో కమ్స్ విత్ సిమిలర్ ప్యాటర్న్, మొత్తం మనకి మధుబాని ప్యాటర్న్ ప్రింట్ అయితే పళ్ళుకి వస్తుంది. The blouse, it's a running blouse with a printed border for the sleeves, priced at 5490, free shipping. A coffee brown color pure tussar saree with printed borders on either sides andi. Idi kuda manaki paina chinna print, kinda pedda print anedi vastundi. Red base మీద mustard and brown color combination printed motifs వస్తున్నాయి. Both sides contrast red color combination లో weaved borders వస్తుంది, అండ్ ఇది పళ్ళు. సో పళ్ళు కూడా వీవ్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో మొత్తం ఇక్కడ ప్రింటెడ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఉన్నాయి, స్ట్రైప్డ్ వీవింగ్ అండ్ మనకి ఇలా థ్రెడ్ వీవింగ్ అనేది పళ్ళుకు ఉంటుంది, మ్యాచ్ విత్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్, ప్రైస్డ్ at 5490, free shipping. Moving on to the next design in pure tussar అండి, a stripe pattern pure tussar saree, beige with black color combination, vertical stripe printed pure tussar saree with a pink color weaved border, and this saree carries a zari woven pallu. So this is the pallu, alternate plain and zari stripe lines అనేది పళ్ళుకి వస్తుంది, match with the contrast color blouse, priced at 5490, free shipping. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Pure tussars lo floral prints, kalamkari prints, ఇలా different printed patterns and different color combinations లో sarees చూసాము. Hope you liked our collection, and if you wish to place an order, send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. If you wish to receive regular updates, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and happy shopping.